welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a what's on my iPhone, and I'm also going to show you how to set like TikToks as your lock screen. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, I'll put an example here of what I'm talking about. Basically I'm going to show you how to do that as well because I need to change my one. So I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to get my comments to work. I really don't know what's going on, but if they're still not working, go to the community tab and you can give me some video suggestions, or you can follow me on Instagram and DM me. I don't know, comment on my posts, you can do whatever. Yeah, that's about it for this intro. I don't think I have anything else to say. Firstly, I'm going to show you what phone I have, and I'm going to do a little phone case collection. So I have the iPhone XR, 10R, however you want to say it, in coral, and it's 65 gigabytes. If you have been subscribed for a while, then you would have seen the unboxing I did of this phone. I have now privated that video because I rewatched it and it's just embarrassing. Now for the phone case collection, I'm going to show you the few that I have, and I'm going to do them in order that I got them. So the first one I got is this marble one. It used to have gold pieces like there on those white bits, so this was the first case I got for this phone. The next case is quite ruined now, so I'll insert a picture of what it used to look like, but it was one of those clear cases that I dressed up with like the VSco stickers. This is from last summer when the whole VSco girls was a thing. Then the next one I bought was this mirror phone case because I wanted a mirror one, but I did not want to spend like £40 for the ones on Casetify, I think. Then these next two cases I got for my birthday. The first one is this clear one with like sparkles going up. It's really cute and I like it very much, and that's what I've had on my phone lately. The second one, which I think I'm going to put on now, is this collage phone case, and it's got Ariana Grande, and it's just all the same like theme and colour, and it's really cute, and I got both of these for my birthday. I'm going to put this one. This is what it looks like on. It makes it look really, I don't know what I'm on about, but it makes it look really cool at the front. Anyway, let's get on to what's actually on my phone now. So this is my lock screen at the moment. It's just a picture of the beach in Italy from I think 3 years ago. This is when I took that picture. It is a live picture as well because I do have a bit of an obsession with TikTok. So I'll play it and show you what the live is. This is what the live is. Bryce Hall and Jaden Hostler. And if you know them, then you know what that video was. I'll show you what I have in this bit. I have calendar at the top. Then I have favourites so I can call people quickly. Weather, Siri app suggestions. Then we have sub count so I can see how many subscribers I have. Then we have batteries so I can see how much battery my phone has, and my AirPods. Then we have screen time. As you can see, I've spent a lot of time on my phone and my TikTok addiction is shining through because most use this TikTok. Then we have music so I can listen to it quickly. So I moved music back up to the top. Let's go on to my actual phone now and see what there is. On the front page we have calendar, clock, photos, camera. Hello. Then we have FaceTime so I can call my friends, maps, weather, app store, notes. So I like to write lots of things in here. Then we have health. I mainly use this to see how many steps I've done. At the moment it's literally nothing. I've done 216 steps today. Then we have wallet, which I use for my card and any boarding passes for when I'm flying in an aeroplane, and my Starbucks card. And then we have settings, we have files, then we have calculator, very fun. Then we have Ryanair, Alitalia, which are both airline companies. Then we have 1 second every day, which is something I've been using this year. I started it this year thinking, oh, it's going to be a really fun year, like it'll be worth it to do this, and in the end I've been home for the last like 3 months, but I do recommend that app. Then we have Starbucks UK, Find My iPhone, which me and my family use. Then I have Cookie Do, which is a cooking app because we have a Thermomix and that links to the app. Then we have Countdown Plus, which counts down to stuff. My last day of school is in 6 days, 7 hours, 49 minutes and 48 seconds. HP Smart, which is for my printer. Then we have Magic Home, which is for my LED lights. And basically how the app works, you just turn them on and off, and you can change the colour and the brightness. And you can also set timers, and it's quite snazzy. And then it's also connected to my Alexa. At the bottom we have phone, Safari, messages and music. I have Apple Music, so if you have Apple Music you can follow me on there. This is my profile, follow me and see what I listen to and my playlists and stuff. Now moving on to the next page of my phone. At the top we have Instagram first. Make sure you go follow my Instagram. I'll also put the link in the description. I do not post that much. On the odd occasion that I do, you should be there to see the picture. Then we have Snapchat, which I use to talk to my friends. WhatsApp, which I use mainly to call and text and like video call my family because they're in Italy. Then we have YouTube, which obviously you know what that is because you are watching it right now. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Then we have TikTok, as I said, slight obsession there. So this is my account. Make sure you follow it. I'll link it in the description as well. I post quite a lot on here. Then we have Pinterest. You can follow me on there if you want. There's not that much on here. Vibes, fits, affirmations, because I'm trying to get into law of attraction, and then travel. I'll link it in the description. I think it's just Jemma Keene. Then we have VSco, and I think you can follow me on there too. Yes, Jemma Keene. I'll also link that in the description. I haven't posted on here since last summer, but I guess it's kind of cute. Not really. Then we have YouTube Studio, which is where I can see all my video analytics on my phone. Gmail, Clue, girls know. Then we have Barclays. SoundTouch, which is for the Bose speakers we have in the living room downstairs. I have Fire TV, which is for our Amazon Fire TV stick, and it's just a remote. Yeah, so you can just use that. Then we have Amazon Alexa, which is how I can control my Alexa from the app, and you can like set alarms and stuff. That's a lot of alarms. Then we have my EE, which is my phone carrier, like SIM thing. Then we have Speed Test, which tests the speed of my Wi-Fi and data. The bottom two rows is just folders. First we have Shane, I don't know how you say it. I recently ordered a package and it's meant to arrive in the next 10 days. So I'm going to be doing a haul. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe so you can see that. Then we have Pretty Little Thing. The next folder is called Games. We have Photo Roulette, which is basically a game you can play with friends, and it goes through like your camera roll and you have to guess whose camera roll the pictures is from. Mario Kart Tour. Everyone was obsessed with this when it came out because it was like Mario Kart on your phone. Oh my god. Then we have Song Pop Popular, which is like where you go around and get the people. Pet Rescue. It's a block game. Then we get into the next folder, which is called Editing. I have Prequel, which I used to make a TikTok. I was laying in the rain. Then we have Cam, which I haven't used for a while, but I've kept it just in case. Then we have Cam. A while ago there was a trend on TikTok where there'd be like 3D pictures, so that's the app that you use. Then we have PixArt, PicCollage and Fonto, which I use to make my thumbnails on these videos. I either use these apps on my phone or on my iPad. Next we have the folder called Socials, which is kind of random because my socials are also at the top, but these are the ones I don't really use. So we have Depop. Go and follow me anyway. Then we have Facebook, which I really don't use. Twitter, which I just use to look at TikTokers' tweets because that's what I do with my life. You can follow me on there. My username is GemmaKX. Then we have Subcount, which is subscriber count. PayPal, Pose, which is this app. It's kind of creepy, but you can see people's Instagram profile things, profile pictures. Then we have YOLO and Bitmoji. Next, school. There's Teams, Tassamy, Duke of Edinburgh and Outlook. So Teams is what my school has been using for virtual school through this whole corona. And Tassamy is a science quiz thing. The D&V app is for Duke of Edinburgh, which I have a vlog on my channel of Duke of Edinburgh bronze that I did last year with my friends, and I was meant to do silver this year, but Corona. Then we have Outlook, which is just my school email. TV. I have Disney Plus, just the best thing on earth to be ever created. Then we have Netflix, ITV Hub, Prime Video, All 4 and podcasts. Not that interesting. Then we have food, Gourmet Burger Kitchen, TGI Fridays, Chicktopia and Uber Eats. The first three I've just used to like collect points and stuff. Uber Eats is obviously to get it delivered. The final folder is called Travel, and there's only 2 apps in here. The first one is Move It, which you can use to see like bus and train times and all of that. And then Uber. I think everyone knows what Uber is. And that is everything that is on my phone. Okay guys, so now that I am done with the what's on my phone part of the video, I'm now going to show you how to make a TikTok your lock screen. Firstly, you want to go onto TikTok and find a TikTok that you want to save to make your lock screen. So most people do this with like edits of people, and since I have a slight obsession with Bryce Hall and Noah Beck, I am going to save one of their videos. You should know how to save a video off of TikTok, but I'll show you anyway. So once you find the video that you want to save, you're going to press the arrow at the bottom and just press save video. If the save video option is off, you can either share it to Snapchat or Instagram and then save it once you're there. The next part is to find a picture you want to be your lock screen. I've chosen this picture, which is a picture I took in Italy 3 years ago. This one here. Yeah, I'm kind of torn between that one and this one. Kiss. I think I'm going to use this one. So you're going to go back onto TikTok and you're going to press the little plus button in the middle at the bottom to create a video, and you're going to press upload. And once you press upload, you're going to slide over to the image section and pick the picture you want to be your lock screen, and then go back to the video section and pick the TikTok that you saved and press next. Once you get to this page, press on the default button and you're going to click on the image and just shorten it to as short as possible. So you're just going to save that, and then after that you have your TikTok. I'm going to trim it at the end so I don't have the thingy-majiggy. There we go. Then press next and next again. You're going to get to this page and you want to put it on private and then post it. Once it's saved, you want to go on the private section on your account. Once you've done that, you're going to save this video as a live photo to your phone. So you're going to press the 3 buttons at the bottom and then press live photo. So once you have that, you are going to go back to your camera roll and you should have your live photo. Kiss me, kiss me, kiss. And after that, you just do the normal thing to set a picture as your lock screen. You're going to press the little share button at the bottom. Go to the bit where it says use as wallpaper. You're going to size it to how you want it and then make sure you have live photo on. You're done. But I've got it to the right size and place that I want it in. I'm just going to press set as lock screen and it's done. So I'll show you what that looks like now. You have a normal looking lock screen to the outside eye, and then for your personal enjoyment you have this beautifulness. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe if you want to see any more of my videos. Also turn on the bell so you get notified and you can be early to the premieres and stuff. If my comments are working, do make sure to put some video suggestions because I want to make what you want to see. All of my socials will be linked down below so you can interact with me on other platforms. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye! I don't know what to do now.